anything that has all the sides sewn to something else. So not this one because there's nothing sewn right here yet, but this one because I've got every edge sewn to something and all the rest of these. So everything but this green one, oops, and this pink one, we can remove the papers on. So that's where I said this orange pill stick comes in handy. I'm going to use the edge that's got this slanted end on it, not the point. And I'm just going to slide that under and loosen up the glue all the way around. So just be sure you're not shoving too hard because you don't want to poke a hole in the fabric. But as long as you're just gently doing it, you should be okay. And then I'll take the point end and just put it under there and just pop out the paper. And as you can see, we haven't even damaged the paper, so I can reuse this again until it doesn't have good points on it anymore. So let's see, we can go ahead and take out this one as well. Okay, we're going to leave this one because we still need to sew that seam, but we can take out this one and the lavender one. So some people don't like to take their papers out until they're completely finished with the project. I like to take them out as I go because it makes the project easier to handle and I don't have to fold the papers as much. And it really doesn't affect it in any way, so I might as well get rid of these. So now you can see I get movement out of these pieces, and that helps when I'm trying to sew these other things together. So now, see where I would have been folding that paper before, I can just easily fold this piece and then continue sewing on to these. So I'm going to continue working on this. But just so you know that once I finish sewing this to this, I can take out these pieces of paper. So we're going to sew this seam, I'm going to sew this seam, we'll take out these pieces of paper, we'll sew these seams, but because these don't have anything sewn to the outside edge of them yet, we're going to leave those in. So just a quick note about how to finish that.